But it's our last full day. Yeah. A little bit of park hopping today.
We'll have more tomorrow.
Yeah, but we only have one more night here. Got some decongestant, so I feel a little bit better, but I have a cough that I can't kick, and I almost forgot my cough drops.
Wait a second. They didn't give us our
hold this
Magical Express thing tomorrow? It's usually just sitting out there.
It's not there.
Maybe they want us to stay longer.
Maybe when we get back from the park. That's weird, honestly. But it's not there. Okay.
Hey.
Time to go to Animal Kingdom. I'm hungry. Since it's like half a degree outside, it must have blown away.
The saddest hair you can ever get.
This is the worst. Ugh. I don't want it. Get rid of it.
Actually.
We're here.
The tree of life. The tree of will.
So pretty. That's not your tree.
Matt could steal that tree from me.
So there's some very rare animals. There are less than 5,000 black rhinos left in the entire world. That's because they're poached for their horns. They're made out of keratin, which is the same materials as your fingernails and your hair. Their horns are thought to have some sort of medicinal value, but really, the hair isn't medicine either. There's a Fiala group of hippos is afloat. Who do like to hang around that pod of pink-backed pelicans on the island. Gray and white birds. And they're named because their backs do actually turn pink during the mating season, like a dusty pink color. So make sure everybody is staying seated for me, friends. It's often hippos down underwater, and when they are underwater, they'll stay down pretty easily because they can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes at a time. Right around this corner, we're coming up to my least favorite bridge on the reserve. We got to let just wide. This whole Florida Nile crocodiles come out to get some sun too. Each of these crocodiles can get to be up to 20 feet long. That's as long as a giraffe is tall. My day, that's a good day. I also like sleep though, and if you do the math, it really doesn't leave a whole lot of time for that. But giraffes really don't need a whole lot of sleep anyway. On that for a couple minutes here, a couple minutes there, for a grand total of about a half hour. Out of the entire day. That's it. About 30 minutes. Every single year. Go check out this bridge. Oh, look at that. Is that one not good enough? Oh, a pretty lady. Further up this way. We'll make it a better view down by the watering hole. It looked like there was a calf hanging out with Mom over here. Where are you at? Yes.
Oh my god. The baby.
We'll go ahead and leave the elephants be. Come out of the flamingos instead. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, and those are the flamboyance of greater flamingos to me here on the island. They are the largest and the lightest pink of all the flamingos. They're not born pink though. More of a light gray color when they're hatched. Yeah, I'll head up around the corner. We'll see if we can get us a little bit closer, but we're gonna come visit with this pride first. Oh, there! You will typically find lions sleeping, or at least resting. They'll do so for around 20 hours out of their day. They'll come out at night to hunt. The male lions might be king of the jungle. It is actually the females that you need to watch out for, though, because they're the ones who do most of the hunting. Males, They're really just the protectors of their pride. Oh, there's some warthogs grazing over here too. Burrows with their tusks, or they'll even take over another animal's abandoned burrow if they need to. Then when they go into their burrows, they go in backwards, because keeping those tusks exposed provides them with some protection from predators. Those rhinos again. Zebra, ostrich, really big birds. You get to be between 6 and 9 feet tall. But they are thankfully flightless, which I think is a good thing, so I don't know about you all. Personally, I think it would be absolutely terrifying if an ostrich could fly.
Oh my goodness.
There's those ibex too. That's an antelope with the spiral horns.
Their faces are
pretty incredible creatures. They can go almost indefinitely without ever taking a sip of water. So they can get all the water they need from the food they eat.
We're at Flame Tree. We got the pork fries because we saw them on Disney Food Blog. They good?
They're good.
Now we are going to the Boardwalk for some food, drinks, ice cream, etc.
All the essentials, all the must-dos. I came up with that, Disney must-dos.
Must-dos. Number 1, ice cream.
Number 2.
Even though it's cold and I have 4 jackets on. Ice cream.
Number 2 is beer. Actually, number 2 is food. Number 3 is beer.
Number 1 is food.
Well, you said number 1 was ice cream.
Number 1 is food, definitely.
Number 2 is
ice cream. 3 is beer. I have a question for the people that stay at deluxe resorts. Are the buses every 5 seconds? Are they more quick? Because we stay at Values and they're every 2 hours. But we just saw a Boardwalk bus leave and got in line, and 2 minutes later another one was here. So are the buses more frequent for deluxe resorts than Value, or is it just a weird coincidence? What do you think?
I don't know. It's probably just a coincidence.
I need answers. That's actually mine.
Actually, I got 2 things.
That's actually mine.
I actually got the ice cream waffle cone of baked, unbaked at Ample
Yeah, we
Hills.
went to Ample Hills.
It's really good. And I got a milkshake coming too. Hey, don't eat my food. The club isn't the best place to find.
The cutest little place on the boardwalk. You got
When's the cup milkshake?
Ample Hills.
Over chocolate, the peppermint one. I wish we could come back again, but I know it's too late.
I know, and it's because tomorrow we're going to be in Magic Kingdom, which is like nowhere near this, but we're now walking to Beach Club while we eat ice cream
As we make our way back,
in the 50-degree weather.
make our way into Epcot.
Yeah, might as well stop here because I can't come to Disney without stopping at the Beach Club. It's my nostalgic childhood resort.
Is this the first place we ever stayed at?
No, we used to stay so we stayed at Disney Institute when I was younger, which was like, it's not even open anymore. It hasn't been for a while.
Does that even exist?
No. And then Yacht Club, and then Beach Club Villas, and then Beach Club, and then that's it. Like twice at the Disney Institute, and then 3 times here, and then senior trip was All-Star. We were All-Star, Art of Animation, and Pop. So I don't have that much variation, but I can't come here without going to the Beach Club because it feels very nostalgic, and I like to look in their gift shop because it's cute and their pool's amazing. And this is like our resort goals. So we'll walk to Epcot after this. How's your milkshake?
Banging. Still got 2.
What happened?
I had a piece stuck in my straw. I tried to blow it back into the cup and it just exploded. Didn't expect it.
We've done enough exploring. Now we're gonna go walk away and cry because we can't afford to stay here and walk to Epcot. Oh. Oh. No, I don't want to optimize. I want to keep it like that. Oh, wow.
Alright, so the small one just says it's all efficiency and responsiveness, so that's what we'll do when we get to the points. But right now we gotta focus on making the videos.
I want to do a little bit of power though.
What?
Power's always good to have.
Yeah, we did that on the first.
No, you're just rotating it.
Let's make it ugly, make it ugly.
Oh. Ew. Ew. Oh man. Oh, there's like no power.
Come on, my head.
Whoops. Let's do like orange. Nasty.
This is 2 for efficiency.
Middle.
You have to look at it.
You do.
I do, exactly.
It doesn't even fit in the thing. Oh God. It's so skinny.
This is our pride and joy right here, man.
It's so skinny.
Hitting the marketplace 2018. A new Chevrolet Creeper.
It's so ugly.
Very good for. Those are cool.
Ooh.
I'm gonna say a snowflake, but now it doesn't.
Ooh. Oh. Okay. We did test track. We did soaring. This camera sucks in low light. But Spaceship Earth. And then we're gonna head out of here.
Yeah.
Till May. Ooh.
Let me get Ray on the phone.
And we have to leave. Illumination's going off. We saw that last night, so we're leaving. Hi, Spaceship Earth. Look at us. Hi, Spaceship Earth. I'll miss you. Golden Globes on. Dinner eaten. Halfway packed. Sad.